Alright, so getting started, we're going to just delete the cube and Shift A, insert a icosphere. And I'll press Control Spacebar to get out of full screen mode. We don't need any tools for this. We'll go ahead and put a material on here, make it emissive. And right here, we're going to show a command again. So we'll just bring in a text object. And the command that we're going to be playing with is this one. And I think the best way to show this to you guys is to paste it in the rotation field. And you can spacebar now animates. Alright, so you can see it's just going up and down. However, we're going to take this command and also assign it to the light. And if we play it now, you can see that we now have a pulsing light. However, the values for it go into the negative, which results in a kind of strange looking light. So for that, we're going to open the driver's editor, which will be its own window, and we'll just locate our value here. And what I like to do is put a generator, so that way I can ramp this up to be 9 times what it normally is, but also put a limits on it so that way we can prevent it from going below a certain number. So we'll put 003, and we'll also put that into Y. And if we go back and hit play, you can see that the light will get only so dim instead of just turning completely black. And that is how I created the pulsing lights for the most recent ad. Instead of cutting out the video at 2 minutes, let's take this a little bit further, continuing to talk about drivers. So I'm going to insert a Bezier circle, but I'm going to scale it up in edit mode, and we're going to bring in a piece of text here, and I'll show you the next command. This one you might recognize from some of my previous videos. I do use it all the time. Pound frame times 0.15. Of course, edit these numbers how you wish. And this will basically make it move in perpetuity. So if you want something to just go one way going up, I always get comments about that in videos. So let's delete the driver and reset the value. And I'm going to select the text, select the curve, Control P, curve deform, and we have our text here. However, I'm going to need to select the curve and press Control T to tilt, and we can tilt it 90, getting us something like this. However, probably SX -1, SX -1 in order to get it going the other direction. I'm going to right click and just add a little bit of extrude to it. And with this, we can actually put our command here, not there, undo. We'll put it there. And if we have this play back, we now have a pulsing light along with this rotating text going on around it. So I just wanted to show both of those commands in action. And so with that, I'll see you guys next time.